Yeah, hello everyone. Here's your number one real estate doctor, Additional Mubarak. And as you already know, I'm always trying to give value to everyone when it comes to real estate investment and real estate in general. Today, I am with one of my very good brothers. He's a professional tiler and as well he design houses. So today, we are going to give you information on some of the things about tiles, about designing houses when it comes to real estate. So I introduce to you Mr. Additional and you. Good morning, sir. We are here to learn. I can see that you are right now working on something. I can say, what's the name of what you are doing right now?
This is artwork.
Okay.
We are trying to mold the artwork on the floor.
Okay.
So before we start to mold it, we will mix sand with cement.
Okay.
So before we now start to mold it on the floor, we will put sand under the mold. We set the range. When we set the range finish, we now start putting the cement.
So this was the usefulness of the sand you lay on the floor first.
So that when we want to remove it,
Okay.
so that it will be easier for us to carry it.
Okay.
So that is
So now you are molding it with cement, water, and okay. So how many days will this take before it becomes strong for someone to carry?
2 days.
2 days maximum.
Yeah, 2 days.
Okay. So then after you lift it, what are you going to do next?
So when we lift it finish, the sand that is under it, we remove it from the work.
Okay.
After we remove it finish, we mix cement and sand again together. We put it at the back of that thing that we cast. We will now place it at anywhere that we want to place it on the wall. Is it at the window or the extreme edge of the house or the building or anywhere the owner of the house wants the design to be. We just put it there.
Can we also do casting indoor, not outdoor? Can we do it inside the building? This kind of casting, can we do it inside the house?
Sure. We can use it for to divide the wall inside the house.
Okay.
We can also use it. We can also use POP to divide the wall inside the house.
Okay. I think this also has like the same design like POP, but I think this is stronger than POP, right?
Yeah, because we are using cement and sand for this one. But as for POP one, we call it white cement. So we have different types of that white cement, different types. So that is different. White cement, black cement.
Okay, all right. Okay, viewers, as you have heard it from our professional, he's also a tiler, and we are not in the tiling workshop or building today. So we are going to give you more information about tiling. If you are interested in designing your building, you can easily reach him on the numbers scrolling on the screen. You can also call your number for them to call you.
My WhatsApp number is 070 59 62 6771 or 081 09 99 1459. Thank you.
Okay, you can as well reach him on Facebook as
alindio at yahoo.com.
Please spell the Alindio for them.
ALINDHO_OPE at yahoo.com.
So thank you very much. I remain my humble self, Dr. Additional Mubarak, the number one real estate doctor, and you always know that I will always be here to help you to make that decision, that best decision that will give you the highest return on your investment when it comes to real estate investment, and to also give you properties that will give you peace of mind. Thank you, and I would like to see you in the next one. Bye.